feeds it once more. McNamara, Whane, away to Ranger, spinning it wide here. Macilai, opening try of the game, and a well-deserved one to Jone Macilai.
Great work from Ranger to bring in two defenders, offload to Tua, who's been exceptional early, and that man Macilai scores the 5-pointer.
They've done pretty well, Auckland, to defend with one less man. Golden oldies scrums, but eventually they just cracked. Was that man you talked about, Rennie Ranger, his ability?
Not. Oh, intercepted by that man. Who else? Salesi Rayasi. Try number 10 for the outstanding winger as he improves the position. And there's the response for Auckland.
Gets the intercept, and once again he's lighting up Eden Park.
We knew Auckland needed something, didn't we? And surprise, surprise, it's the number 11 from Auckland that produces it. Northland attacking, everything going their way, and not for the first time this season. Auckland look to the man with the 11 on his back, Salesi Rayasi, and he brings it around, and it'll give Auckland the lead for the first time in this match.
Casual as you like. Salesi Rayasi. Again, Adams running downfield. Auckland, staunch defence by Scott Gregory. That was on, and down the left they come here. Plummer shifts it, and here he goes again. Well, who else could it be? Who else would it be? Salesi Rayasi for Auckland.
End of some great interplay from the Auckland forwards. Strong carries, relentless pursuit of the try line, and then that man Plummer, who stood up in the last 10 minutes, committing the defender, drawing pass, too easy.
I've got to give a rap to Jared Adams. I know he's had a tough day with his throwing, not a natural hooker, but he had 4 touches within that movement.
He goes to the heavens. Interesting ball here, it's going to be left behind. Ratumaitavuki-Kneepkens gets the bounce, runs away, scores the try.
Just a lot of traffic in the way. No one got in the air. Just let it bounce. Confusion between the two. It was Waituki on a scudder at the end. Ratumaitavuki-Kneepkens on the spot with a fortuitous bounce and too much pace.
For Kuridrani, dive in the corner. The finish is there.
Keep going. I thought they had lost it there, and it's good hands there just to throw it over the top. He had a lot to do.
Oh, Tamanivalu, he was involved in it all, wasn't he? First the break, up the middle with the big left foot step, and then the peace of mind to quick tap. Knew that they had the momentum, play a few phases, and then a real heads-up play to get it to Kuridrani with a beautiful finish in that right.
Inside the last 10 minutes first half. How to Sneed. There's McNamara. Wide from corner, brilliant. And Naulago in the corner. They do strike. McNamara, nice ball from corner, brilliant from Ratu. He's in the corner.
Wow.
Huh?